So here we're done with the billing and we're taking our food to the table, and let's show what we bought. Okay, here is the cheesecake that we tried. Let's give it a shot. Well, she kept adoring it for some time, and now finally she's gonna take the first bite. Let's wait to see her reaction. Okay, go ahead. Well, this is our honest review about this food. We tried this veg balls and chicken meatballs. I really have to be very honest with you. The chicken meatballs was good, the cheesecake was good, the unlimited drinks were good. But trust me, we quite didn't like the veg balls. It tasted really awkward, and it was not at all of our taste. So we were a bit disappointed that the veg balls didn't taste great. But the rest of the things, the chicken meatballs and everything was okay. Am I completely satisfied? I would say, not much. Maybe you guys can give it a try and you can let me know your thoughts. Here we are back to shopping to burn all the food that we had, burn some calories by walking all the way through IKEA. Find if there's something that will catch our attention. We find a good deal, we buy it, and we go back home. So IKEA basically has everything for home improvement, everything that you need for a home. They do not have any electronic appliances, but they have everything that you need for your kitchen, for your bed. All home improvement projects literally can be run through IKEA. So you can see that they have all of it. They have varieties of plates and cutleries. Now this is a mock-up bathroom that they have made. You have an option to buy this entire set. Yeah, the entire set can be bought. They have mentioned the price of the entire setup also. So it's a nice, very beautiful bathroom. I really like it. Now coming to my most favorite section, the lights. IKEA has a beautiful light. I think this was first brought to everyone's notice by IKEA. There's a beautiful design. You have it in different sizes, from small to large size. Really nice, really nice. And they have a lot of light collections which you can use for your dining or your halls. A lot of hanging lights are available. You can check this out. So I bought a spotlight as well. I like this light as well, which is perfect for dining hall. If you see, there is a different design materials. It's around 3,990, like you see there. For these sizes, the larger one is close to 4,490. So everything is almost in the same range, so it's a pretty good deal. So after all those, we were tired, our legs were paining, we decided to sit for a while. So they've made all this mock-up outside tables and things like that for people to sit and relax. So we're sitting and relaxing over here, and we will start in some time again. Okay, here we are, we're almost exiting. That's when I found this huge warehouse setup this IKEA has done. When I just went close in and I started noticing it, I just realized that these are all the delivery, which they're going to do delivery of these items. I mean, I can see someone's name written on it. These products are packed and they are due to be delivered to someone. So they're all going to be shipped to different states of India, across India. And everybody's name, their address is all sticked on it, so it's all ready to go. I think that's when it surprised me to realize there are so many items which are due to be delivered. I will show you in some time how many racks have been filled, then you will get an idea as to what I'm talking about. So here's what we think about this place. IKEA is great. They have a lot of options, a lot of DIY products as well. But if you ask me, being a middle class, a person who always goes and checks online price versus offline price, am I impressed with the price? Maybe the quality is really nice, but the price I found slightly higher than what we can get online through Flipkart or Amazon. I was just checking for the most of the products. I was trying to figure out the difference between online and the offline, and I could find a very good difference between the prices. If you're a person who's looking for quality, and if you're someone who focuses only on that particular aspect and not the price, IKEA is a good place, and the quality was really nice. I mean, there's no complaint on the quality or anything. Maybe the price is absolutely justifiable for the quality that they're providing, but I'm okay. I'm okay going a bit down on the quality, and I like to go by my Amazon and Flipkart. But no offense though, you can still try out it. It's a great place, well built, massive options available, and look at the infrastructure. Looks absolutely stunning. So we're out. We just came out. We finally, after a long struggle, we found a car. We came out and we are bidding goodbye to IKEA. It was a nice day. We came in around afternoon. We were jobless. We wanted to buy a few things. We came in, we bought it. We had food. Yeah, enjoyed. Had a nice time. And we're saying goodbye to IKEA. So you can also plan something with your family or friends. That's it from us about IKEA. Now my biggest next worry happens, which is the traffic go back home. So let me hit the traffic. I'll see you on